Hello again guys, welcome to another Qpython tutorial. On today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys more stuff you can actually do on lists. Now the reason I'm making this video is just to show you guys some stuff I forgot to do on my last tutorial. Now these stuffs are very important, that's why I decided to make this video all over again to just show you guys how to do these things. Now as you can see here, I've made a dictionary, and this dictionary contains 4 items. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to check the length of the dictionary and basically look for how to print out just an item in a dictionary, and also how to delete just an item in the dictionary. So instead of deleting the whole items or all the items in the dictionary, you just get to delete one or two or whatever you want. Now let me just show you guys how it's done. Now to delete an item in the dictionary, you just have to use the word delete, DL, and just set the name to dicty, and then add your square brackets, and inside of the square brackets you can say the name. Let's just say the name. Now this is going to delete the name from the dictionary, so this whole stuff here, the name, which is whomever, will no longer be on the dictionary. Now let's just click enter and let's just print out our dictionary to see what's going on inside of there. And let's say print dicty and it's enter. Now you can see that there are only 3 stuffs left in the dictionary, which are the stuff, whatever, meal, whichever, the time, and whenever. Now these are the stuffs left in the dictionary because we've just deleted the dicty name from the dictionary. Now let's print out just an item from the dictionary, and this time let's try to print out the time. Now when printing out items from the dictionary, you notice that you have to use the dicty, that's the name of the variable. So I'm going to use dicty, and after using that you can just use the square brackets and say whatever you want to print out. So let's just say time. Now this should print out the time, and you can see that this prints out whenever. Now when using print statement with dictionary and then adding the key inside the square brackets, you're telling Python that I want to print out the value attached to the key. So this is the key and this is the value. So since we're printing out the value attached to the key, it means we're printing out whenever. Now let's try printing out another stuff from the dictionary, and this time you can use dicty, just dicty, and just say let's try let's say meal. This still works fine without the print statement, works well, but this time it has the whichever in it. So this time it has the colon, it has the quote with it and not just an ordinary text. So if you want to print out stuff from the dictionary without this is what you do, and if you want to print it out, it's the quotes, this is what you do. Now this stuff I've just showed you guys is very cool, and you should note that these stuffs are very important with dictionaries, especially when you're working with databases and some other cool stuffs in Python. Now you can also check the length of the dictionary by saying length dicty and click enter. This should give you the value or the length of the dictionary. So it's telling you that there are just 3 values from the dictionary, 3 stuffs, items in dictionary. So this is item 1, this is item 2, and this is item 3. So that's all for this video guys. If you have any questions, please do not forget to comment on the section below, and please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because you need to get more of our future videos, and to do that you need to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.